you're trying to learn data analytics but feel lost, this playlist will give you a clear roadmap. Start from video 1. Hi, I'm Ruth. I help aspiring data professionals move from confusion to clarity with structured learning, real positioning, and skill that actually get you noticed globally. If you've taken multiple data analytics courses and you still don't feel confident applying for jobs, you are not stuck because you are not smart. You're stuck because you've been learning the wrong way. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what's keeping you stuck and what actually gets you hired. So stick around, watch to the end of this video. Let me guess, you've completed courses in Excel, SQL, maybe even Power BI, Python. You've watched hours of tutorials, taken notes, practiced a bit, but when it's time to work on real data sets, answer business questions, or even explain your thinking, you freeze. Not because you don't know anything, but because you've never been trained to think like an analyst. And the truth nobody tells you is that courses don't make you job ready. They make you comfortable, because in a course, the data set is clean, the steps are guided, the outcome is predictable. But in the real world, nothing is clean, nothing is guided, and nobody tells you what to do next. So the real problem is not, I need more knowledge. The real problem is, I don't know how to apply what I already know. And until you fix that, you can take 10 more courses and still feel stuck. So let me tell you what actually works. There are 3 things that separate beginners from job-ready analysts, and most people are ignoring all 3. The last one is the most important one, so stick around, watch to the end of this video to get the real gist. Number 1, real problem solving, not follow along projects. I'm talking about messy, confusing data sets where nobody tells you what to do, because that's what the job looks like. Instead of creating dashboard showing sales, you should be asking, why are sales dropping in this region? What factor are driving performance? What decision needs to be made from this data? That is data analytics. Quick question. Have you ever worked on a data set where you didn't know the next step? Or are you still following tutorials? Be honest in the comment section. I'll be watching out for your comment. If you're enjoying this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, on the bell button, like this video, share to friends. Let others get some awareness about data analytics and being job ready. Number 2, decision thinking. Most beginners focus on tools, SQL, Python, Power BI, but companies don't hire you because you know tools. They hire you because you can help them make decisions. Can you answer what is happening? Why is it happening? What should we do next? If you can't answer this, your analysis is incomplete. And this is where most people get it wrong. They build dashboards but can't explain what it means. So they look skilled but not valuable. And companies pay for value, not effort. Now we've come to the last step, which is the most important one. Number 3 is proof of work. Your certificate don't prove anything. Anyone can complete a course, but can you show a real project? Your thinking process? Can you show the problem you solve? The impact of your analysis? That's what gets attention. That's what gets interviews. And here's the part most people ignore: visibility. You can be skilled, but if nobody sees your work, it doesn't matter. I need you to start sharing your projects, your insights, your learning experience, because opportunities don't just come from applying, they come from being seen. So instead of taking another course, here's what I want you to do. Step 1, pick one real data set. 2, define a business problem. 3, analyze it without guidance. 4, document your thinking. 5, share your results publicly. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. That's how you become job ready. If you do this consistently, you will notice something. You stop feeling like a beginner. You start thinking differently. And that's when interviews start coming. If you want a structured system that shows you exactly how to work on real world projects, think like an analyst, build a portfolio that gets attention, Check the link in the description or send me a message. I will guide you. Remember, you don't need more courses, you need better execution. If this helped you see things differently, subscribe for more real breakdowns, because most people are learning data analytics, but very few are becoming analysts.